In this video, we're going to show you how to install the thermal fuse in your dryer. So to install your thermal fuse, it's very easy. There's just two wires that go onto it, and they're the same size terminals. So you just got to slide your wires on. And you want those connections to be fairly solid. If the terminals just slide on and off really easy, you're going to want to take a pair of needle nose and just tighten them up a little bit so they're nice and snug. So once you have them on, you're just going to slip it into place. And they're typically just held with one screw. And this one is just a 1/4 inch headed screw. Yours may be a bit different. It may be a Phillips head or a Robertson or maybe even a 5/16 head, but whatever type of screw that was used to hold it, just put that in. So now that you have your thermal fuse secured to the blower housing, now it's just a matter of putting the back on the machine. So now just bring your back panel into place. Just get it lined up and start it. Now you don't want to tighten that screw yet, because as you put your other screws in, you need to have the flexibility of kind of jiggling that back panel to get it into the exact proper spot. If you tighten the screw, it's just going to make it hard to get everything else lined up. And that's how easy it is to install a thermal fuse in your dryer.